Preparations are underway in the Senate for the possible impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte as senators await the articles of impeachment from the House of Representatives. Gab Villegas tells us more in this report, including the millions of fund allocation for the said trial to proceed.
It was the year 2012 when the country last held an impeachment trial. The one on trial was former Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona. It took 44 days before the senator judges could render a verdict in the impeachment trial against the then Chief Justice. The Senate is now preparing for a possible impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte after the House Committee on Justice found probable cause to impeach the Vice President. According to Senate President Vicente Soto III, they are merely waiting for the articles of impeachment to come from the House of Representatives. He stated that the public is closely monitoring the progress of the impeachment against the Vice President.
Napakahalagang nakahanda kami because the country, our countrymen are looking at this very seriously. Monitor nila yung sa House, diba? So they will expect us to do our job once we receive it.
Meanwhile, Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson said the impeachment trial may continue even if the Senate is on sine die adjournment on June 5.
Tuloy-tuloy yun. Separate naman yung impeachment trial sa session. So yung sine die adjournment will not in any way affect the schedule of the impeachment trial.
The Senate has allocated funds reaching 27 million pesos should the impeachment trial proceed.
Dito sa venue, yung pagkain, yung mga security measures, mga ganun lang, hindi naman masyadong. We will make sure that, the chairman of the Committee on Accounts will make sure that everything will be in order.
Soto also assured that the impeachment trial will be open to the public. Photos from Senate Majority Floor Leader Juan Miguel Zubiri show their caucus helped to lay out the Senate's agenda for the coming month. Included in the agenda is the Senate's preparation for the possible impeachment trial. When asked about the Supreme Court's decision on the word forthwith, that it does not mean immediately, but rather at the proper time, the Senate will decide when it shall be done, Senate President Soto's response,
The Supreme Court decision is based on the petition. It is, hindi naman sumasaklaw yung decision niya sa trabaho ng Senado. It doesn't have anything to do with the work of the Senate. They're co-equal of branch. That's why tama yung decision nila. Pero as far as that petition that was filed to them is concerned, not on the way the Senate is conducting itself.
But as far as
in this case, if ever we do receive the articles of impeachment, we will act on it forthwith. Sa akin, ang forthwith, di following day.
Meanwhile, lawmakers in the lower house are hoping that the Senate leadership will continue to follow the meaning of the word forthwith as stated in the Constitution, despite the Supreme Court's ruling on the matter.
We can hope for that, na dapat forthwith. Kasi malinaw naman yan ang nakasaad sa Konstitusyon. Kapag ma-transmit na yung articles of impeachment from the House, ay kailangan mag-proceed na to trial forthwith. Siguro naman nakikita natin sa Senate leadership na ngayon na they are very conscious, they are aware of that. At alam nila ang tunay na kahulugan ng salitang forthwith.
With all due respect to the Supreme Court, we disagree with this interpretation of forthwith. No, malinaw kasi from the constitutional framers kung ano ibig sabihin ng forthwith. At malinaw sa lahat, kahit sino nagbabasa ng diksyonaryo, ito ay immediately. And holding public officials accountable is an ASAP task. Umaasa tayo that the Senate leadership, even with this Supreme Court decision, will act immediately pag sampa sa kanila ng articles of impeachment.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.